Hello everyone. So welcome back again. I am recording this video just for the sake of it because we will need some formulas to solve the integration. So in the exercise we will see the integration is not that difficult that you need to solve, but mostly it will be the simplification part, and similar kind of questions will be asked in the JEE exam and CET exam as well. So you need to know how you should simplify the equation so that it will become easier to integrate, because we all know we just need a formula for integration and everything else is just simplification. Okay, so I'll rush through this formula super fast. So first we have algebraic expressions that you might everybody know all of these formulas. So we have a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. You all know a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we have a plus b the whole cube. The formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Then we have a minus b the whole cube. It's a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, right? Then further we have a square minus b square, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Then we have a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b multiplied with a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, a cube plus b cube is a plus b multiplied with a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Then we have trigonometric formulas. This also you have studied in your previous years, right? So we have this basic formula: sine is inverse of cosec, cos is inverse of sec, tan is inverse of cot, and we can again write tan as the ratio of sine theta and cos theta. Similarly, cot theta will be inverse of it, right? Then we have trigonometric identities, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta, right? Then we have double angle formulas, that is sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a, cos 2a is cos square a minus sine square a, and if we use the identity and substitute instead of cos square a, you substitute it as 1 minus sine square a, then you will get 1 minus 2 sine square a, and in place of sine square a, if you put 1 minus cos square a, then you will get 2 cos square a minus 1. So it's just substitution, not much, it's simple. Then we have tan 2a, which is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, this you should know. Then we have addition of sine and cos, subtraction of sine and cos. So it's like some formulas. Okay, so sine a plus sine b can be written as 2 times of sine of a plus b divided by 2 times cos of a minus b divided by 2. Sine a minus sine b will give you 2 sine a minus b divided by 2 cos a plus b divided by 2. Cos a plus cos b will give you 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2, and cos a minus cos b will give you minus of 2 sine a plus b divided by 2 and sine of a minus b divided by 2. Then we have product formulas, that is sine a sine b will give you half of cos a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Then cos a cos b will give you half of cos a minus b plus cos of a plus b. Then sine a cos b will give you half of sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b, and cos a sine b will give you half of sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. Simple, you just need to remember this. Then you have half angle formulas, which can be sine theta by 2 can be written as plus minus root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 is plus minus root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. And if you combine these two, you will get tan theta, right? Sine upon cos. So that will give you root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, right? And these two like if you substitute, if you rationalize, you will get the above result, that is 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta, and or sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So it's just substitution and you'll get the values, not much. Okay, then you I hope you all remember this graph, right? It was there in 11th standard and it's really useful. So I'll just quickly show you. So in this quadrant, this is first quadrant, right? This is second, this one is third, and this one is fourth. So you already have remembered it, right? All silver tea cups, all silver tea cups. So in these particular quadrants, these are positives. Okay, so first quadrant everything is positive. In second quadrant, sine and cosec will become positive. Third quadrant, tan and cot become positive, and fourth quadrant, cos and sec become positive. Okay, this you should remember, because when you substitute, so you have something like cos of pi by 2 plus theta. So pi by 2 is like 90 degree, right? So this is 90 degree. So pi by 2 plus theta will fall somewhere here, right? So in this quadrant, only sine and cosec is positive, right? So if you have cos, it should be negative, right? So this, if you remember, then you can solve that kind of sum very easily. Okay, then we have the addition of angles. So sine of a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sine of a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Similarly, you have tan of a plus b will give you tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b will give you tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a plus tan b. 1 plus tan a tan b. And then we have triple angle formulas. This also you have studied in the previous standards. So sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 sin theta. And tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So these are all trigonometric formulas that, if you remember, it's well and good, and that would be helpful to you in almost everything in mathematics. So it's really good if you remember all this stuff. So then we have logarithmic formulas. These are simple, right? So log of product will give you addition, right? So log of m multiplied by n is giving you log of m plus log of n. Then log of division, like ratio, you will get subtraction. So m upon n will give you log of m minus log of n. If we have power terms, so log of m to the power of n will give you n times log of m. If you have same number with same base, you will get 1. So if you have log 10 to 10 is 1, right? Similarly, log to the base e to e is 1, right? So this will be useful. Then you have this one. So if you have something, let's say you have 10 to the power of log to the base 10 times, let's say, x square. So if you have something which look like this, then this whole thing will give you the result as the power in the log, or the function of log. So here the function of log is x square, so you will get x square, right? This will be helpful in your exercises, right? And the last one is, if you have log of 1 with any base, it will always goes to 0. So all this stuff you need to know for solving the problems. Remember, again I am saying, integration is not difficult. Rather, the difficult part of integration is to simplify, which is based on your previous knowledge. Okay, so don't worry about integration is really simple. Okay, I'll put the link for this document in the description, so you'll get it. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.